Adding and subtracting fractions. How do we add or subtract fractions? Adding and subtracting like or similar fractions is very easy. Just add or subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. If the answer is an improper fraction, change to mixed number. Always simplify your answer. Example, 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Let's add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3 and copy the denominator 5. 3/5 is in simplest form. 6/8 minus 3/8. Let's subtract the numerators. 6 minus 3 equals 3 and copy the denominator 8. 3/8 is also in simplest form. 11 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Let's add the numerators. 11 plus 3 equals 14. Copy the denominator 12. 14 over 12 is in improper fraction. So let's change to mixed number. Let's divide 14 by 12. So it becomes 1 and 2 12. Since the fractional part is not in simplest form, so let's find the DCF of 2 and 12. The DCF is 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the final answer is 1 and 1/6. To add or subtract unlike or dissimilar fractions, we must first make the denominators the same by finding the least common denominator. That is what we call LCD, and using the equivalent fractions. Example, 3/4 minus 2/3. They are dissimilar fractions. The LCD is 12. Remember, to find the new numerator, divide the LCD to the denominator and multiply to the numerator. So let's take a look of our example. 3/4 becomes 9/12. 2/3 becomes 8/12. Why? In the first fraction, we have 12 divided by 4 times 3 equals 9. Then in the second fraction, 12 divided by 3 times 2 equals 8. So 9 over 12 and 8 over 12, they are now in similar fractions. Now, we are ready to subtract. 9 over 12 minus 8 over 12. Let's subtract the numerators. 9 minus 8 equals 1 and copy the denominator 12. The final answer is 1 over 12. Other way of solving. 3/4 minus 2/3. Again, the LCD is 12. Remember this, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number so that the denominator is the same as the common multiple. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Let's look at our example. Let's have first the first fraction. So we have the denominator is 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we will multiply also 3 in the numerator. So it becomes 3 times 3, 9. Next, in the second fraction, we have 3 times 4 equals 12. So times 4 in the numerator, 2 times 4 equals 8. So 9 over 12 minus 8 over 12, the answer is 1 over 12. To add or subtract mixed numbers, add or subtract the whole number and fractions separately. Example, 4 and 3/8 plus 2 and 2/8. Let's add first the whole number. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then let's add also the fractional part. 3/8 plus 2/8. Let's add the numerator. 3 plus 2 equals 5 and copy the denominator 8. So the final answer is 6 and 5/8. Another example. 6 and 1/2 minus 2 and 3/4. Look at the fractional part. They are now in dissimilar fractions. The LCD is 4. So let's subtract first the whole number. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Then 1/2 minus 3/4. So 1/2 and 3/4, the LCD is 4. So let's change to similar fractions. It becomes 2/4 minus 3/4. We cannot take away 3/4 from 2/4. So we regroup by taking 1 from the whole number and express it as a fraction, then subtract. Here is the solution. Rename as. So 6 will take away 1 from 6, it becomes 5. And 1, we will make it into a fraction, it becomes 4 over 4. So you look at inside the parentheses. Plus 2/4. Minus 2 and 3/4. Then solve. We have 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6 over 4. So 5 and 6/4 minus 2 and 3/4. Let's subtract first. The whole number 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then 6 minus 3 equals 3. Copy the denominator 4. The final answer is 3 and 3/4. Let's practice. Read this problem. Kuya series bought 20 meters of wire to make an extension cord. He used 4 and 2/5 meter for the stage and 6 and 3/5 meter for the computer laboratory. How many meters of wire was left?